Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Recording artist Nesmith hits the US tomorrow to promote his new album, Amen. This is the most expansive tour for Nesmith, who has previously performed at multiple shows in the United States. The almost 3-week-long tour will see the reggae singer making appearances in 12 major cities across the US mainland, including Houston, San Diego, Los Angeles, Manhattan, Brooklyn, and Harlem. The tour will climax in Jamaica with performances in Kingston and Montego Bay. The My Dream hitmaker is currently promoting the first single from the Amen album, Remove My Enemies, a powerful ballad which cautions persons to be mindful of disingenuous people. Executively produced for Entertainment So Limited and distributed by Zodiac Worldwide, his upcoming album Amen is now available for pre-order and is set to be released come October 26. Reggae artist Aibum has released the first single from his upcoming untitled album. The track, called A Million Thoughts, features a grooving bass line with guitar melodies and phrases, with Aibum providing social commentary with his trademark soothing vocals. A Million Thoughts has been getting positive feedback from the reggae and dancehall fraternity, with artists like Taurus, Riley and Popcorn posting videos on social media singing along to the lyrics of the song. Early this year, Aibum released the Get Up and Show EP, which included the title track Get Up and Show, which got heavy attention. Aibum recently performed in Canada, and come next month, the Diamond Sock singer is set to venture to Japan for a tour before returning home for the annual Sound the Alarm Music Festival in December, which is in aid of the Linstead Hospital. Now to news overseas, where rapper Kanye West today thanked the US President Donald Trump for his Make America Great Again hat, which he says makes him feel like Superman. The controversial MAGA hats have become a major symbol of Trump's campaign.
They tried to scare me to not wear this hat, my own friends, but this hat, it gives me power in a way. There was something about when I put this hat on, it made me feel like Superman.
During an expletive-riddled rant, Kanye said the hat also made him feel more masculine, something he doesn't feel being married to the primarily female Kardashian family.
You know, my dad and my mom separated, so I didn't have a lot of male energy in my home. And also, I'm married to a family that, you know, not a lot of male energy going on. It's beautiful, though. I love Hillary. I love everyone, right? But the campaign, I'm with her, just didn't make me feel as a guy that could play catch with his son.
Kanye said that despite Trump's many detractors, the president is on a hero's journey. The Jesus Walks rapper also claimed that he was misdiagnosed with the bipolar disorder only months after he told the world that he suffered with the condition. During the meeting, Kanye made mention of issues including mental health awareness, creating a new design for Air Force One, and clemency for Chicago gangster Larry Hoover, who is serving life in prison, calling him a beacon and a living statue. Critics speculate that President Trump is primarily interested in garnering support from African-American voters ahead of the midterm elections on November 6. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.